Welcome to the Farty Factory. This is why you shouldn't climb a tree when you see a bear. As you can see, bears are super fast, and they can easily reach you.
Where are you going down?
This is what a snake-necked turtle looks like. You could see how long it takes for the food to go down all the way to its body.
Tomorrow's Christmas quiz night, Wednesday at 10 on 4. Here we are, the big deal, Mr. Turkey. To make an attack.
This is what happens when you throw raw meat in piranha-infested waters. This is a picture of a sand dollar, and this is what a living and breathing sand dollar looks like.
Little legs on it. Let me get in a little closer and let it focus. It's alive. Can you see the little legs moving?
This is the deepest pool in the world. It is called the Y40 because it is 40 meters deep and it's located in Italy. Some people like to try to swim all the way down to the bottom and back up while holding their breath. This is a great Argus pheasant trying to attract a female.
You getting that, guys?
Oh yeah.
Video?
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing the sound that it makes.
Oh no. Oh no.
Thank you so much for watching. If you learned anything new, let us know by leaving a like on this video, and subscribe for more videos.